Welcome back to our exciting video today. We will be exploring IPTV streaming today. First, visit the website 2tv.store now. Here, you'll find a variety of plans available. Choose the plan that suits your needs best. Don't forget to check out live support options. Our team member Nancy is here to help. She will guide you through the entire installation. Follow her step-by-step tutorial for setup. Streaming your favorite shows is now easier. You'll never miss out on live events anymore. Enjoy the flexibility of streaming on devices. Just log in and start streaming immediately. Experience high-quality video and audio streaming. Next, we'll explore the user-friendly interface. Finding your favorite channels is super easy. You can personalize your viewing experience totally. Let's take a moment for additional features. IPTV is truly a game changer for entertainment. Make sure to subscribe for more content. Leave a comment if you have questions. We appreciate your support and feedback greatly. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials ahead. Let's start your IPTV journey together now.